because the suitcase is kind of ruined.
No, the suitcase isn't in it. Okay. Sebastian, why are you wearing Theo's coat? It's just hanging out while I bet, right? Sebastian, what are you doing?
I'm getting young master prepared.
Certainly
I
takes
thought
a
you
while.
started
How many
the top button. Why is it not buttoned yet?
Because I was being a bitch.
Fine, I'll do it myself.
I would rather you not. Last time I had to chase the button through 2 floors.
I won't get pissed off this time. See, look, I did it. Something you could not do.
For change. Yeah. Besides, you know, be the phantom heat.
It's already really hot in here.
It's 66 degrees. And it doesn't go lower. Oh, it does.
Is the window open?
I don't think you can open it.
Oh.
I put it down to 60.
Aw. You need to cut these white strings. The basting strings. You never cut them. Don't pull them! Why are you stupid? Actually, the coat's gonna cover me anyway. It'll be okay. I'm waiting. Wait, no, I have to hold on to it so it doesn't...
Yeah.
Pull more. Well, now, totally defeated the purpose of what it was supposed to do. You're supposed to keep on this shit, dude.
Hold the other one.
Okay. Why is this so difficult?
You didn't hold it.
I did, actually. There. Make sure the button's covered. Okay, only the lace strips.